What's the meaning of C.P. Snow? C.P. Snow. C.P. Snow.
C.P. Snow. C.P. Snow. C.P. Snow was the pen name of Charles Percy Snow, who was a British novelist and scientist. He is best known for his essay The Two Cultures, which discusses the cultural divide between science and humanities in society. Snow argued that this divide prevented effective communication between the two groups and hindered progress. His work led to a greater awareness of the importance of cross-disciplinary collaboration in science and humanities. Today, his legacy lives on through the ongoing efforts to bridge the gap between these two broad fields.